Hello and welcome to another official and exclusive Harryhausen unboxing. This time it's Bubo the Owl from Clash of the Titans.
Destroy Argos! Let loose the last of the Titans.
Metro-Goldwyn-Mayer presents Clash of the Titans. Clash of the Titans.
Now for the original origin story of Bubo the Owl and the animation techniques used by Ray Harryhausen and his team, check out my original Star Race Toys video of Bubo in this playlist. Right, let's get unboxing. So the first thing to see here, of course, is the box design, again by Christopher Nika at Rain Studio, who went for an elegant and classical look. So black and gold are dominant colours here, he told me, with the spread gold wings on each area. So Christopher made the logo with gold and Greek style fonts, and it was very important to establish this alternate version of Bubo as different from the previous version. Now as we get the box opened here, we can see it's in foam and well packaged, and inside the golden gift of the gods, Bubo the Owl, is awaiting us to unwrap him here. Always carefully packed. Splendid looking. This comes with a few surprising extras as well. We'll go through them all one at a time. So here we have a polyresin footplate that mimics the branch or the tree that Bubo finds himself on, and it has two registration pinholes as well. As always, we have instructions, which are fairly straightforward, fairly basic instructions, but good to read them too. And next, now here we are, we have a pair of white gloves. I feel like I'm a magician from the 1970s because this version of Bubo the Owl, look at that, how dazzling. It's a chrome finish on Bubo the Owl. We've seen nothing like this in the Star Race Toys range before. He's polished and ready to go, reminiscent of C-3PO at the end of Star Wars in the Medallion Hall with Princess Leia, Luke Skywalker and Han Solo. At the end of the film here, of course, he buffed and shined after the defeat of the Kraken at the hands of the head of Medusa. So Bubo the Owl, the gift of the gods, with his ruby eyes, has proved one of the most enduring and endearing of all the creatures Ray Harryhausen has brought to the screen. Everyone that I speak to loves Bubo the Owl, and this representation is very close, almost identical to the one in the Foundation's collection of the original puppets. This sits 30 centimetres high, it's made of vinyl, and it does replicate the size, the look and feel of the one we have in the Ray and Diana Harryhausen Foundation's collection. And of course these gloves are issued so that you don't have fingerprints across the shiny surface of Bubo the Owl. Star Race Toys really have thought of everything here. He bedazzles as he turns there. The gold, the silver and the ruby eyes of Bubo the Owl. The mechanical clockwork, golden, magical bird sent to Perseus to help him on his quest to defeat the Kraken and save Andromeda at the very last minute from the crashing rocks. So there you have Bubo the Owl, chrome version with magnificent box on his plinth. Now let's have one of our magical on-screen comparisons. Let's go.
Is it a hawk? Is it going to attack? By the gods, an owl.
Golden
Owl.
Too heavy for the dead branch, eh?
How do you know that?
He told me.
Told you? Oh.
His name's Bubo.
Do you understand all those clicks and wheezes?
Perfectly clear to me.
It's another gift from the gods.
He can lead us to the shrine.
Wow, well I hope you enjoyed that sparkling unboxing of this chrome version of Bubo the Owl. Remember in this playlist to check out all of the Harryhausen unboxings, including the Clash of the Titans ones. Now if you'd like to win your very own Bubo the Owl Chrome edition, then simply subscribe to my channel here and comment below the video and you're in with a chance. Good luck and we'll see you next time.